Could the secret to a healthier planet lie beneath our feet? It's time to dig into the fascinating world of no-till farming. Welcome to a revolution in agriculture that's reshaping our relationship with the earth, one field at a time. Imagine a farming technique that could preserve soil structure, minimize erosion, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and conserve water. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. This is the reality of no-till farming, a method that allows farmers to cultivate crops without disturbing the soil through traditional tillage methods. Let's take a journey to the heartland of America, to a farm in Kansas. Here, the Peterson family has been practicing no-till farming for over 30 years. What was once a struggling family farm is now a thriving agricultural business, all thanks to the adoption of no-till farming. Not only have they seen a significant increase in crop yields, but they've also noticed a remarkable improvement in the health of their soil. Across the pond in the United Kingdom, we find the Morley Agricultural Foundation. This innovative organization has been leading the charge in no-till farming research and practice. By eliminating the plough, they've nurtured a lively ecosystem beneath the surface, teeming with beneficial organisms that naturally enrich the soil. But it's not just about environmental benefits. No-till farming also offers economic advantages. By reducing the need for heavy machinery, farmers save on fuel, labor, and time. Plus, healthier soil means more resilient crops, which can lead to higher yields and better quality produce. So, what does this mean for you? It means that every time you choose to support a no-till farmer, you're making a choice for healthier soil, cleaner water, and a more sustainable future. No-till farming is more than just a farming method. It's a philosophy, a commitment to working with nature rather than against it. And it's a movement that's gaining momentum, driven by farmers and consumers alike who understand the crucial role agriculture plays in our global ecosystem. The world of no-till farming is rich and varied, with so much more to learn. So why not dive in? Explore more about no-till farming, consider its benefits, and join the revolution. The future of farming could very well be beneath our feet.